Hey, thanks for checking out. As you have already seen on the thumbnail that today I'm going to talk about dropshipping. So I'll be explaining you what is dropshipping, how to start a successful dropshipping business online, and is it worth to start dropshipping in 2023, and how much money you need to start this procedure. Moreover, I'll be bringing a full playlist on this topic, so you just need to subscribe of my channel, and this video is just the beginning of that playlist. So let's start. What is drop shipping? Well, you can say it's more like having an online store, but without having the stock of the products you are trying to sell online. In other words, you can say that you only need a computer to do this work. That's all you need. You don't need any inventory, you don't need delivery services or anything like that, or even the customer services. That's all. You just need a computer to start this. So let's go to a little more further details. For example, there are companies like AliExpress, Alibaba, or more like these. So they sell products at a wholesale price. What we are gonna do, like you choose a bracelet on AliExpress. The cost of the bracelet is, for example, $2, and you are going to sell this on your own website for $10. Now, for example, by chance someone want to buy it, they will just transact the money to you through PayPal or any other procedure to your bank account. Then all you need to do is just transfer that $2 to AliExpress, and AliExpress will start the delivery process as soon as you just give them the money. So you have won the profit of $8. That's how it works. $8 seems a small amount. Guess if you made a sale of 1,000 bracelets, so you would have earned a $8,000 profit. That is really a big amount for the beginners. There are some people who are earning $60,000, $100,000 per day. Yeah, it is truth that we can make such money, but the profit is not really $100,000. There are some things. But before that, I'll be telling you in more details how dropshipping works. So there is one website named Shopify, which is best for dropshipping. What we all need to do is make an account on this. We have to choose a particular plan which costs per month. So it is not so expensive like $100 or something. The standard pack just costs us $7 to $8, and the basic packs, and if you want to go for something better, you can go for basic pack, which is just under $20. Now, once you start this, you need to add a logo, you need to make your own brand, you have to build a website. Now, build a website doesn't mean that you have to code your website and become the Mark Zuckerberg. You just need to. There is one Shopify website builder. All you need to do is type the things, and Shopify will make your website in a proper way, in a professional way, because you have paid to it, and Shopify gives you the worth of paying. That's how it works. Now, the second thing comes, how are we supposed to sell the things? So there are some apps like Shopify have its own app store. So there are some apps like AliExpress dropshipping, Zendrop, CJ dropshipping, Overloo. But I would prefer to go for Zendrop because it takes less time in deliveries. So that's best as compared to AliExpress. AliExpress take a long time, which is never good for a website, because when the people saw it's going to take 20-30 days, they will obviously not order the product. Moreover, they would love to go for Amazon or any other trusted website rather than going for unknown website. So you just need to be better and give advantages rather than giving drawbacks. Now what you need to do is make a free account on Zendrop, which is not going to cost you anything. That is a basic pack. And after that, you need to choose the products. You simply need to click the add button and it will automatically will be added to your website. That is so simple. You don't need to put the prices, you don't need to put the images. That is all automated. But the main part is find those products which are successful and have the chance to be in the trending list. After that, you got two choices to make the sales. Once your website is ready with products, you just need to choose what type of advertising you want to do, what type of marketing you want to do. Either you can do free advertising, that is, having a social media page on Facebook, Instagram, and other things, and tell people to go and buy it and show them the profits. For example, you might see some reels on Instagram which shows you some products. That is all about it. And some may have e-commerce, but there are most of people who are doing drop shipping. That is what you can also do. You can upload reels. If you mind that you don't want to come into that reel, you can choose that video from the internet regarding that product and use that videos on Instagram, because there are very less chances of getting copyright in that case. The procedure just which I told you is really going to take time. You might be able to make some sales in 2-3 months, but there are very less chances that you'll make any sale in the first month. The second way comes is Google ads or Instagram ads or Facebook ads. So for that, you're gonna need an investment. For example, you have $1,000, so you use Instagram ads after making a reel. Once you use Instagram ads, you will surely get some customers. Now the point comes, you have invested $1,000. Now, if you're lucky, there might be more customers if your product is really good or they got really attracted to that product. You would easily earn $3,000, $4,000, because a lot of customers will come. Because a lot of customers will come. But if by any chance you don't get any customers or very few customers, like you earn $500 or $600, so you would be in loss because you have spent $1,000 on advertisement only. And it's really a very risky business too, because most people think that we are not going to invest in anything in this, but really we are going to invest a lot of time in this procedure. We need to find products, we need to make the website, we need to design the logos and other stuff, we need to market. Rather than that, if you have some really good amount like $5 to $10,000, I would really say you to go for an e-commerce store. Make an e-commerce store on Shopify. Oh, if you don't know what e-commerce store is, I mean you can sell things after buying them and keeping a stock at your house or in any room. If you have an empty room, you can keep the stock there. You can sell small things like rings, or as I already told, bracelets or pendants. They have a really high demand, especially female customers love it. That's all for today. I hope you loved this video. Just hit the like button. That's all I need, and hope you have already subscribed.